I did it again. I made a freaking cheap DIY. I saved so many dollars. Hello everyone, we are back with a super cheap DIY. This thing has been all over my Pinterest, my Instagram, my TikTok. I just needed to have it. It is so cool, and the fact that it's a mirror makes it even more reflectiveness. It opens a space. I needed to do it, but I also did not want to spend the $500 that I saw it online for. So let's make it. So first thing first, you're gonna go to IKEA and you're gonna get 2 of this black coffee table. The reason that I'm getting 2 is because I wanted it high and skinny and not wide, but if you want to change it and have it lower and bigger, you can totally do that. We are gonna assemble them, and that is super simple. It literally goes in without even having to use screws or any equipment. And after that, you're gonna take out your little L brackets. To stabilize the 2 tables, one on top of each other, you're gonna have to put them on every single leg, so to connect them in between. Once it's done, as you can see, it becomes super stable. You can be sure and safe. The original piece is actually made with real mirrors, but we know that this is very sharp, and I have a toddler around the house, so I decided to do it with plexiglass. Yes, you can order plexiglass that is mirrored, so it makes it safer, it makes it unbreakable, and I think it's actually even cheaper. Anyway, I ordered 4 of them of 70 times 35 centimeters, and only one we're gonna have of 35 for 35 that is gonna be the top. Once you take them out, you're gonna have to use them, one of the big one, on every side of your little table. I took out the super glue, attached it, let it dry, turned it around, and so on till I had all the sides. Then you're gonna do exactly the same thing also with the top. And I know you're wondering, Nicole, you said this is mirrored, but it doesn't look mirrored at all. Well, it is. When you order plexiglass, it actually comes covered with a little plastic shield, just like when you get new TVs. You're gonna have to take this off, and it's the most satisfying part of the project. Oh, it's amazing. It just turns out so beautiful all of a sudden in front of your eyes. You have to take out all of them one by one and then place it wherever you want in your living room, and it's gonna look amazing, reflecting the rest of the furniture, reflecting the light of your windows. It's just a piece that I was waiting for in my living room. Guys, I hope you had fun and enjoyed this DIY. I actually spent in total around $70. I think that if I would have ordered the plexiglass online, I'm gonna leave you all the links down below, I would have saved even more money, but I didn't want to wait, so I went to a little store that cut the plexiglass for me. So just go ahead, make your own table, send me pictures if you do it, because I just want to see it in your living room.